Good day, welcome to another episode of 21 Indigenous Plants in 21 Days of the Extended Lockdown with Usia. And today we're talking about this beautiful specimen of a tree, the Trichilia emetica, which we commonly known in our shores as the Natal mahogany. And it's known throughout the continent because you get it from the sub-Saharan African side, Senegal, up to Ethiopia, Eritrea, and down towards the eastern parts of the continent. And in South Africa, it starts really growing very nice and to its full potential in KZN, and we get some of it in Eastern Cape, but it's distributed throughout the country because it's a great landscaping tree. Let's talk more about its healing remedies and what is it called in our native tongues and all that good stuff. We are on the other side, and this is the small version of the Natal mahogany. And in my own native language of isiXhosa, this tree is called umthi womkhulu, and in isiZulu it's called umthunzini, citing the fact that the canopy is got a pyramid shape and it provides quite a lot of shade. In isiXhosa and isiZulu, umthunzi means shade. So for a tree to be called umthunzini, then that translates to a tree that gives shade, which is a fitting name for this beautiful tree because it gives a lot of shade. So it grows from anything from 15 meters to 30 meters, as I've just said, and the crown is dense and provides quite a good shade. Very great for trees that can be used in a landscaping project for parking lots. There is also a need for it in agroforestry, and it's being grown in agroforestry for various other reasons. And a big part of it is also that there is also production of oil in countries like Mozambique. They've been exporting the oil, and there is a demand for it because you can produce two types of oil from it. One that you can treat wood with, and other treatments you can make cleaning products with it, and the other oil is for cooking, and it can be utilized by humans. And big part of the Natal mahogany also is serving as a habitat for other animals. And you look at sunbirds, which they pollinate this beautiful tree, and our good friends of bees utilize this tree quite a lot. So there are some countries where their beehives are in mahogany trees, so it's quite a multi-utility tree. And we're going to be now talking more about the herbal uses and profiling and checking the tree out when it comes to its leaves and the seeds and the pods, and just get to learn more about the healing remedies of the Natal mahogany. The herbal uses of the Natal mahogany start from the bark, the leaves, the roots. All of this plant is actually used as a herbal remedy in different types, even the seeds, the fruits of the Natal mahogany. The bark is used as a treatment for pneumonia. The root mixed with the bark is also used for epilepsy. Also, that same mixture where you mix pieces of bark or powdered bark are also soaked in warm water and used as an emetic or enema to treat intestinal alignments. So it must also be used in small dosages because it can be very violent in the stomach. The roots are very purgative, and they're also used in treatments of colds, and also treat infertility in pregnant women. It also helps them endure labor. The powdered root is also used in treatment of cirrhosis. A decoction of the bark and the roots also combined with the remedy for flus, as mentioned, also pneumonia. The oil also in the fruit and the root is also part of the healing purposes, because it can also be rubbed into the skin for skin diseases, ringworms, parasite, and also applied as an internal just lubricant of the skin. Thank you again for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that and you've learned something new about the Natal mahogany. And what's important is we always discuss on this YouTube channel is that the most information that you're going to get about any plant or any tree is by actually growing it and doing the research. Google Natal mahogany, you can get to learn more, and when we out of the lockdown, you can see how you can utilize it in your home, in your school, in your community, and let's just keep planting.